What's up, YouTube? It's May 8th, Friday, 2009, and it's already 11:30. I decided to catch up on rest this week, and I'm gonna try to make a video right here. It's getting close to midday, and you guys know the volume's already down since about here 10:40. So I'm gonna see if I can make a video here, guys, and haven't built up the watch list. Gotta do that, so I'll be back here. Alright, I decided to get into some FSLR 500 share position, and market looks like it might reverse to the upside here, so might have bought a little bit too high here, but also we're at this whole number mark, so it could blast off through 92. Let's see what it does here. It's getting a little boring here. I guess we're not gonna get it here. We'll look to sell. Oh, there we go. It's coming. Put my order back in there. Alright, here we go. 60s just took it out. So this turned out to be a good play. I'm up. I made a 392. And watch this thing go to 70s like I planned. More, not really planned, but that is the resistance on this little channel we got here. Anyway, I'll be back with another trade. It's already about 10 minutes of video here of just one trade. I'm getting in this Bank of America. The bank sector looks really strong right here. It's actually making a nice little move up, almost breaking out up above to highs. So I got 2,000 bank, and I'm expecting this thing to flirt with $14, and I'm also expecting it to go a little lower. If that happens, I'm gonna get some more shares, but so far so good. I'm up about $70 in the trade here. So, like I said, expecting this thing to go get close to 14, maybe 95, but it could easily sell off here to those moving averages, where I'll average in some more. Anyway, be back to update you guys on this. I'm gonna risk it. I bought 2,000 more at 13.90 because the market's moving higher here, so I should get a nice profit if this thing hits even 95. I think it's going close to 14. I'll be back to update. You know what, gonna take mine. And it only sold 1,000. Alright, taking mine. That's an even better price. So made a good profit, a little over 400. So I'm up 810. I've been thinking about this, just looking at the sectors, and I haven't really got to memorize which ones are which. I kind of know TAN already. TAN is pretty easy. FXC is like the currency. Yeah, currency, got that one. XHB, I think, is home builders. Yeah. Well, I'm just trying to memorize them. I know also GDX is a gold, but what I'm trying to do is to memorize them with a basket of stocks in mind to trade. So like I know RKH, is the basically the financial sector, banks. And while I'm talking here, it's still going higher, but it is basically the banks. So I have some stocks in mind like GS, Bank of America, JP Morgan, and if I see the market is going higher, I'll trade the way it just did right here. Alright, I'll be back with some more trades, guys. Alright, I'm buying into this Goldman Sachs. Pretty much missed the move. This thing can easily sell off, so that's why I only got a small number of shares. My reward isn't too great here. It's only at 137. And I might get hit here, but I don't know. I'm gonna put it at 130. Sell order in at 136.95. My 200 shares, so won't really make too much on that play if it hits that. But you know what? Gonna just sell 100 at that price. Actually, it's still 200. And I'll keep the other 100. See if it could get up here to blow through 137. Alright, be back to update this one. My stop out is pretty much if it goes under 136, I'll take the loss. That's the RKH. It's still looking good. Broke out to highs, so should be adding momentum to Goldman Sachs and any of the bank stocks. Alright, here we go. Almost getting to 95. It's gonna give me about a $50 profit. You know what, guys, I'm gonna cancel that. I think we're going through 137, and I'm just gonna take my whole position off the table. I forget, it's about 137.20, something like that. So already this RKH made a nice move. It's still going higher. I wonder what that's due. What that's due to. Not even too sure. Alright, this Goldman's getting close to 137. See, it's just lift off through there, and I'm gonna close this one out. I didn't like how it broke through 136.90, so I took my profits, and whatever this thing could go to could go higher. It doesn't bother me. Looks like it's due to the move in RKH. It sold off a little bit, so made a nice little profit with 200 shares, $100, and so now I'm up 914. I guess that's pretty good for half an hour. I'll be back with some more stuff. Alright, so the XLE is Gonna try to remember it this time. It's like ExxonMobil, Chevron, these oil companies, energy companies. So I'm gonna look at some of those, look at how the charts are reacting. It's basically number 2 on my list here of best sectors.